Governor Obaseki don celebrate Chief Gabriel Igbinedion on top im 88th birthday. Governor for Edo State Godwin Obaseki don tok say Chief Gabriel Igbinedion na ogbonge pesin wey don do well for Edo State and di issue of Edo no dey complete without am. E tok dis one for one courtesy visit to Chief Igbinedion sake of im birthday wey happen on Sunday for Benin City. E con wish am happy birthday on behalf of di good pipo for Edo.
You know, every year at this time, we come and celebrate in this house. Since I cannot remember when, I practically grew up in this house. And as I've always said, we thank God for Daddy's life. He is an enigma. He is unstoppable. And whether you like him or not, he has redefined what Edo is and what Benin is. You cannot write the history of Edo State, Benin City, and Nigeria without the mention of Chief Gabriel Igbinedion. We thank God for his life because, this is a privilege to have him with us at his age, with his full faculty, and you see him standing straight. We want to, on behalf of the people of Edo State, the government of Edo State, wish him very, very many happy returns on his 80th birthday and pray to God Almighty that he will continue to be with us in good health like he is now and continue to offer us his words of wisdom and fatherly advice. This is our talk with
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na your power. No go say your vote for any politician or political party.